A new FDA-approved treatment may help train the brain to ignore the ear ringing of tinnitus by combining sound stimulation with electrical impulses to the tongue. Called bimodal neuromodulation, this treatment uses high and low pitched tones and mild pulses from a device in the mouth to weaken tinnitus pathways, helping the brain stop focusing on tinnitus sounds, reports Reuters.
So tinnitus is a sound that the person hears either in their head or in their ears when there are no sounds outside of the body present.
Ross O'Neill, founder of NeuroMod Devices, developed the device, Linear. While not a cure, he calls it a significant step forward in tinnitus treatment. Tinnitus, often linked to loud noise exposure and hearing loss, can also be affected by factors like anxiety and stress. In clinical trials, 86.2% of participants who followed the treatment plan saw improvement after 12 weeks. A second trial reported a 95% improvement rate with modified stimuli.
I think we all, including us at NeuroMod, the wider community, we're all working towards a cure. But what Linear is a significant step forward in terms of the standards of care. So it is a treatment that has been proven effective in the majority of patients. It's the first and only treatment that has been approved by the FDA on the basis of clinical data. So we believe it's a significant step forward in terms of tinnitus treatment.